So we decided to bring the kids out to get some fireworks last minute. Didn't know if I was going to have to work tonight. So we're going to pick out a few fireworks and just enjoy the evening as a family. Got there? Is that what you want to buy? What is that?
It's a poopy dog.
A poopy dog?
Uh-huh.
Oh, brother.
There's something over there that I don't know if that's gonna. It's like a unicorn that has like 3 fireworks on it, and I wonder if I can buy that.
Okay. All right, so the shelves are pretty empty because we are very last minute. Rocket.
The rocket.
Dad, is this worth $5? It's $5, but is it worth it?
I don't know.
Pot of smoke.
It's just a big old pot of smoke.
Oh, that's boring.
Why don't you get a thing of the why don't you get a thing of the smoke bombs?
This.
All right, you guys ready? Did we get a bunch of cool fires?
Dad, can I have one of these?
Yeah. All right. Let's get in line. What do you got, buddy?
I think there's 12 in there. That means everybody gets at least 2. Okay?
We got. Oh, let's show them what we got.
You gotta share what you
That's right.
Okay? Okay? So everybody gets at least 2. Okay? Okay. There you
Show them
go.
what we got.
Bye, guys.
Thank you, guys.
I don't know what these are called. Boom busters.
Okay, so it's July 4th. It's almost 7:30, and we just now decided that we were going to go buy fireworks. We came across this little stand and come to find out that it's run by some friends of ours. How cool is that?
Are you guys ready for our big 4th of July?
Yeah. Ice cream. And then let's do it tonight. Cause it's the 4th of July.
Cause we're living in America.
What are we gonna do now?
Fireworks!
Woo! You ready to shoot some off?
Yeah!
All right, let's go.
Woo!
Cause we're living in America. Hey!
So when I was a kid, I would save all my money for 4th of July to buy as many fireworks as I could. And I'd go from every place we would stop, I would buy more and more fireworks. So I'd spend $20 here, $20 there. I would probably spend over $100 every 4th of July as a kid that I would save up all my money for. But we haven't spent very much money for fireworks. I think this year we spent about $40. So we have all the neighbors out here. They're shooting off fireworks too. Our little subdivision is pretty full of fireworks. All right, so we've been shooting off some fireworks tonight. The neighbors have been putting off an awesome, spectacular show with all their fireworks. A little more than we got. But we want to thank Lighted Up Fireworks for providing some fireworks for us tonight. We hope you guys had a great 4th of July like we did, spending it with family and friends. And we will see you guys next week. We love you. Bye.
Stuff does this. Yeah, we're gonna light something on fire.
I don't know if you can see that, but that is our neighborhood, and that is all the smoke and the fireworks, which is crazy. So as I grew up,